I actually don't know if there's been filming at all this entire time.
Sick dog.
Was it? Did you notice the flashing light on it?
I was not looking at you.
Hey, maybe you should. Worked out really well. This is the car. So it's gone from phone call of, hey bro, do you wanna swap your car for a car? We'll find you one.
Do you want to swap your car for something that doesn't exist yet?
Yeah. Just like getting a deal and just ripping it out of the ether.
Do you want to swap it for an idea?
Yeah. Hey bro, listen here. So, Zunk, deal out of the ether. Zunk, Joey gets a Surf.
Mate.
Ray gets a Mazda 3.
He does. I think this works out perfectly too, because otherwise he would have been probably in a bad position of like, even if he sold it, like that's awesome for him. But then he would have been out of a car, and he would have had to have found a car, and who knows how that would have gone for him.
Mate, so, sales 101. Features tell, benefits sell. Yeah, right. We definitely have sorted him out.
Yeah, so it's a big, I think the value isn't just coming from the car, it's coming from the fact that he didn't have to go and look really. Even though he did send us a bunch of cars, but a lot of the things we were looking at were even older, and I just don't think were potentially worth the Surf.
And also newer, mate, as in like...
Yeah,
like a lot of people, mate, they have stars in their eyes when it comes to what their shit's actually worth. And you have to be able to... It's one thing to look on paper and think something's worth something, but you also have to be able to sell it. Who's going to buy it? If it needs work done, then it's the same old. You have to be willing to find someone willing to take the punt, first of all, deal with the shit, fix it up, put the effort in, because this car did not look like this at the beginning. It's had a huge glow up.
Yeah, it's had a sick glow up. So, yeah, absolutely filthy when we got it. Passenger door didn't look so crash hot, no pun intended.
It's had a gearbox service.
Yep.
Mate, go, actually no, go over the Story Bridge.
So straight?
Yep.
Vanilla.
Hey Joe, coffee and dining. We're here to get the Hilux Surf. Yeah, but I think he's not there by the sound. I reckon we might have to go around the back. I reckon he's...
That's fine.
Yeah. Nothing, just don't go heavy in here, mate, I reckon. Yeah. There she is. Oh, no misses. Rig. Oh. Hello, mate. How are you, bro?
Yeah, good.
Sorry, mate. That took fucking ages. It has been a day.
How long did it take you guys to get from where you were to here?
We had to go back to mine to get the car, and then traffic was going, because traffic going north, we had to go.
And coming south was still bad.
Oh, dude,
It
everything.
was alright until we hit probably coming just out of Stafford when we hit the city, and then it was just routed. So, yeah. No misses, bro.
Nah, she went to
Gonna surprise it.
went to her mum's house. Yeah. Hopefully go pick her up on this BDA.
The rig. You got a name for it yet?
Nah, not yet. You got a name for it? You got a name for this yet?
Murph.
Oh, I got all your goodies in the back too, bro. Oh, fuck it. Open the back door. Have a look. I got there's a little bit of oil there that I got from the last guy that I never used.
Fuck yeah, dude. Bro, thank you.
Ah, you're welcome. Oil.
Hell yeah.
The coolant, and then there's coolant flush. Yeah. Smells like black ice.
He knows.
knows
The only smell.
Yeah,
That is the only smell, mate.
Dude, I found one. I was going through all the shit in the back of my bed, and I
I
just
actually left one there.
I found it unopened one, bro. Unopened, I was just like, oh, fresh. I'm like, yes.
Mate,
Straight in.
black ice is king. It is the only.
There's black ice for you
He
guys.
knows,
Yeah.
bro. Oh, online auto parts, mate.
Yeah.
I got one of them.
I got the spare key there.
You gonna get one key first one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
This is everything from
Oh.
past owners. And then for
Excellent.
me, it's only like,
Bro,
I'm only
records.
yeah, I'm only like 2 papers.
That's excellent,
This
mate.
one here.
Always good to keep that stuff, eh?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Are you stoked, mate?
We'll
Get
do whatever's
something
in the-
smaller and
Whatever's in the
Yeah,
book.
100%.
Yeah.
Happy as.
yeah.
Still want to take it for a drive or?
Honestly, like if anything happens to on the way home, it happens. I'm sure it won't.
I will tell you one thing, just in the last day, like literally last night, I was driving last night, and I pulled up in the driveway and I just heard like a real, like a ant in the front left, front right.
Mm-hmm. This is actually pretty clean.
Yeah?
So me and my wife, we got 2019.
I wonder if I can fix this.
Fuck yeah.
Some of it
How
will.
you fix it? Just give it a whole new lick of paint.
You spray it, mate. Yeah. Ask it nicely.
Ask them nice.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Black ice.
Black ice, mate.
And stainless steel, when you rub it on there when it's wet, there's like an ion exchange between the two metals, and aluminium actually cleans it up. So it's like a chemical reaction. It's not just like it's scraping it off. It's an actual chemical reaction.
Yeah, that's cool.
Sick.
Do you got paper and pen?
Bro, I could just do a text receipt.
Yeah. The buttons work?
Ask Joey, mate. He's been. There you go. Yeah, essential dog.
The luxury.
Yeah. So I'm making you do this. It's terrible. Thanks, boys. Are we done?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Appreciate that, bro.
It's nice to meet you, mate.
Yeah, it was awesome, man. It was such a cool experience, yeah.
Yeah. Made it fun.
Yeah, I hope she treats you just as well as she did to me.
I don't really had it a short time, but I'm sure we'll keep
Oh,
going
yeah.
for everything.
Mate, I'm real happy with that. I had a lot of bullshit offers and a lot of decent offers, but you guys, seem like the best. Even just the way that you guys come off,
Yeah.
really good to do business with.
Sweet. Thanks, bro. Compliment. Likewise.
Yeah, real
Mate, thank you. I keep forgetting to bring you a bloody water. But but thank you, mate. That was really kind.
No,
Yeah,
that's all
thank
right,
you.
bro. Yeah.
And for meeting us and for being patient with, especially today as well. Shocking.
Nah, all good, man.
Yeah, thank you, mate. Sick.
I'll be keen to see some photos, over time.
Yeah,
You
well.
got my phone number.
Dude, absolutely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll save your number. You save mine. Fuck.
Don't
When
be.
it comes to, in the future as well, if this eventually stops serving you for what it needs, you need a fucking new car, I'm sure we'll be just still doing
Yeah.
the same thing.
Fuck yeah, I love what you guys are doing. It's sick. Got you on Instagram too. I like watching your videos.
Don't be a stranger, bro. Yeah.
Can't wait to see my face on there.
Should be on there.
I made it.
Get the right angle. Yeah. Get the right angle, mate. Yeah.
Alright, boys.
Sick. All right, and we'll get these all
Take care.
sorted.
Cheers,
Cheers,
bro.
bro. Nice to
Oh
meet
yeah,
you.
we'll get back to you tonight about the Brady's and stuff. Yeah.
Is that your fluoro jacket?
That's mine.
Oh, Joey. Yeah. Sick.
Woo! Man, stoked. Cheers, boys.
You're welcome. Thank you. The boys. Oh, surf seats. It's been a minute.
Windows down all the way home, eh, boys?
Windows down in town, mate. You got aircon, mate.
Fuck yeah, it's beautiful.
You're sorted.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
What an upgrade.
Good upgrade.
Yeah, bro. Does it feel like a new car inside compared to? Yeah.
Oh, it's awesome.
That was the main thing, mate, eh?
Yeah. Oh, it just looks like I told you guys.
Yeah.
It looks good inside. Like I'm more than happy.
They're good cars, mate. Easy to fix, comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stoked.
Enjoy it, bro.
Do you enjoy that?
He will.
Don't worry.
I plan to, dog. I plan to.
It's that look. That's the surf owner look, mate. Yeah.
First start. Oh,
start,
big dog. Right, Ray.
Have a good one, boys.
See you, bro.
Take
Nice
care,
to meet you, mate. Thank you for everything.
Cheers.
See you, bro.
Straight.
Yeah. Shit, son. You got a surf, cuz?
Hell yeah, dog.
Oh, we can get
How
outside.
good's the steering wheel?
It's cool.
Yeah, dude.
Mate.
Right, this is sick. That was actually like that was a really good deal.
Yeah.
That was, and Ray was really like easy to deal with, man.
It was lovely, mate.
Yeah.
This thing's actually pretty tidy, bro. I judged it pretty hard the other day. In my mind.
This is my new daily. This is my car now.
Hell yeah. Are you stoked?
Yeah, dude, actually.
You got a surf, bro. You bought them on pages.
I have.
Yeah, good. That was a good one.